Tornado emergency for Dougherty County, Georgia, including the city of Albany. A tornado warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southeastern Lee, west central Turner, northwestern Worth and central Dougherty counties. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Albany, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Dougherty County, Georgia, including the city of Albany. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Lee, west central Turner, northwestern Worth and central Dougherty counties, including the following locations: Forester, Oakfield, Red Rock, Doles, Acree, Walker, Pecan City, Palmyra, Radium Springs and Southwest Georgia Regional Airport. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.